I'm Dean. I was the winner of the AU Falcon that George was giving away a few months ago. I've only known him a short time, but from the first conversation after I won, you could tell he was a genuine guy that has a real passion for saving Aussie cars. The AU had a little bit of work for George to do to get it roadworthy, but he made sure that everything was done. It was 100% ready for handover. As you can see, it's sitting behind me. It's not a scam. You get the car at the end. So, my opinion, get involved, buy a sticker pack, and you could be the next winner just like me.